Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video, I will demonstrate the gigantic advantage of HAL APS. Simultaneous scheduling of material requirements, commonly known as MRP, and production capacity on finite production capacities. HAL does it in one step, giving consistent results. ERP systems do it in at least two steps and are based on infinite production capacities, generating resource overloads. HAL creates a real production schedule, reflecting what is happening in the supply chain and on the production floor at a given, arbitrarily selected moment in time. The flow of materials from the purchase proposal, through the production order to the sales order can be seen on the diagram. You can see what HAL has purchased or produced at a given moment in the quantity for free use, producing or buying in batches, or producing taking into account the minimum and maximum batches. Each time you have complete information about the planned completion date confirmed to the customer, the latest moment of purchasing materials, the start and end date of production, planned and actual. If you speed up production or unfortunately you experience a delay, you will be informed. HAL's ability to manage variability is its strong weapon. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos,